Thanks for Chbib. It's a very useful demonstration for our business. Thanks for Chbib to prevent in their facility this kind of demonstration. We cannot see this one in Saudi Arabia for many places. Thanks for your support, for your after-sales support and swift reply for all our problems. And Chbib, they always provide the quick solution.
Amazing product, the least I would say. Amazing product. The food we ate was wonderful. The chicken, the beef, the scallops, the broccoli, perfect. Was wonderful. Product for the houses, you know. You're concentrating mainly on restaurants, hotels, and hospitals, big installations. I think you should give it a thought to market it for houses. It does miracles in the house. One unit will save you, will cook everything. You don't need the fryer, you don't need other kinds of equipment. One machine, you put all the food there, and it brings it out ready. So I like it.
Basically, so we find something interesting about that one. So I have some questions with that person, representative for the machine. In fact, I'm dealing with Chbib since long time, so I know Chbib.
Thank you so much for the time.
Thank you so much.
With the demonstration about explaining regarding the rational oven, the best, Chbib service is the best.
This is the oven is a new and the very good unit.
Hi, good afternoon. My name is Erickson Days. I'm the Air Sales Manager for Nordisk Clean Solutions, Swedish company. We have this fantastic granule pot washers. And see, here is the Granule Smart, and this is what we're trying to showcase here. Today's event was good. We had some really good customers coming from different segments, catering, restaurants, coffee shops. I think this is something really good to benchmark with in the future events. So thank you very much, and we look forward to more live and watch events here at Chbib Cooking Hub. Thank you.
Everything gets good, and I hope next time I'll see the Chbib big.
Hi, good afternoon. My name is Ayman. I'm the regional manager for Rational. So we came from Dubai, me and my colleague Ibrahim, to support our partner and service partner Chbib, to do the nice demo with Rational and as well Granulous to show it to our customers. Thank you so much.
Hello, hi. I'm so happy and glad to be with Rational and Chbib to have a look to our new oven. So I believe we're gonna go ahead with some new equipment, and hopefully we're gonna see you soon there implementing everything. Thank you.